going to take apart the door panel. We already started. 10. 10. 10. Here's proof. First cover. Gotta get these. Pops. And put it back. Let me put it back and I'll show you. Behind door number 1. This pops out. You gonna play? You gonna play nice? You get the idea. Door number 2, same thing. Go behind it. And this one, same. Right up under here. See? Let's get it out. Pull back the handle. Can't do it with one hand. So, take them out, unplug, unplug. Corner. Pull. 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 And then up. Up. Easy daisy. Now, these guys, pull them back. Pull them back. And this will stay. Pop off. Or out. Either way. Another one here. There you go. And this one you can just leave because it'll just weasel itself out. So there you have it. Now let's take the door speaker out. 410s. Perfect candidate to make your own speaker adapters. Oop. Oop. Let's take these guys out. Don't lose these guys. Now watch. Speaker is the bracket. So we're gonna make a video which we're gonna attach how to make that into your own speaker bracket. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.